I have a question for you. What do all those meals have in common? They all contain eggs as a key ingredient because eggs are everywhere. As a main dish or in your dessert, for breakfast or for dinner, you will find them everywhere. But we realized that more and more people cannot eat eggs anymore because of egg allergies, for example, but also for ethical reasons such as vegan, vegetarian, or flexitarian people. 5 years ago, all those people represented 1 in 4 people in France, and in 5 years it will be 1 in 2 people in France, but also in different European countries, such as the United Kingdom, Germany, or Spain. We are Le Papondu, and our goal is to allow everyone to have access to an easy everyday cuisine which respects your health and your values. My co-founder, Sherilyn, and I both have a scientific background. We are bioindustry engineers and have a master's degree in chemistry. A few years ago, we decided to use this scientific knowledge to create the very first vegan egg. Since then, we have put in a huge research and development effort to come up with a product that would mimic a chicken's egg. And guess what? Pictures on this slide are 100% egg-free. Let me introduce you our product. As you can see, it is composed of a white and a yolk, both liquid and that you can separate. You can cook it alone as a fried Papondu sunny side up, for example, but you can also add it to all your cakes recipes. Today, we are finishing the research and development step, and our goal is to begin commercialization mid-next year. First, it will be a B2B commercialization with restaurants, and then we will continue with a B2C commercialization online and in all your usual shops. Because at Le Papondu, our goal is to allow everyone to make an omelette without breaking eggs.